Hey there, my peeps. So today is Saturday, and me and my mom together helped my mom pick most of the ripe fruit from the tree. So I'm gonna show you what we managed to cut. Yep. See, I had the ladder. Yeah, me and my mom. I got on the ladder while my mom was with the fruit picker. Yeah, well, we cut a whole bunch of them. So you see all these leaves. That's me, picking, getting up there with the ladder. All right, my peeps. So I walked into the kitchen. When I was done, I washed my hands. And my mom, I know that she started um, pretty much storing the guayabas, the ones that we cut together, the bag. And I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna do as much as I can. Yeah, because these are perfectly ripe. They're ready to go. It's a whole bunch of them. I'm gonna record myself, and this is what my mom did. So yeah, so what my mom is doing, she's removing the inside, which I don't know. To me, it always looks like a human brain. I always looked at it that way. But I'm gonna do the same process. So I'm gonna record myself. I'm gonna do as much as I can. I'm gonna rinse them here, and then just store them up. Fill these bags up, and then I'll be done. That's what my mom left me. All right, so got my cutting board. I guess right here. Right. Nothing sprayed on them. It's just dust particles. So literally nothing sprayed on them. Um, but yeah. All right, my peeps. So so I'm gonna store these up, my peeps. Bring my bag, one bag. See if I can fill it up. How many do we have? That's how many? Five, five, five. Right, five. All right, that's not bad, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 21. Oh, yeah, 21 in total. the insides, all the goods, all the brains. All the brains. They look like little brains. But yeah, so I debraded the guayabas. And yep, so 21. Was it? That was a count? But yeah, so we're going to take these to my refrigerator now so they won't get oxygenated. Let me just make sure they're still good. All the produce we got, homies. Some of the mangoes, I got to go through them. And yeah, but yeah, I got to finish up. I got 2 more bags. But yeah, my peeps, that's a little video. So I'm going to do the rest. And you guys are going to see what's up. Look what we got here. Let me put these down. Alright, but look. Oh man, I have to put these inside here. These empty slots. Oh, come on, stay open, bad boy. Oh, well yeah, so look, we got guayabas, all papaya, strawberries, a bunch of strawberries, literally, all the way to the back, and pomegranates. My mom did all of this, the pomegranate. And most of the strawberries. Help my mom some with the strawberry. My mom, yeah, pretty much my mom right here. She's the one that, yeah, her hands. But yes, we got a bunch of papaya, a bunch of strawberries, and a bunch of pomegranates, and now guayaba to make smoothies. But yeah, my peeps, so that's my refrigerator. Alright, my peeps, so I went through the whole bag. I don't know how many guayabas, more than 50 of them for sure. And these are the ones that were like bruised. Look, yeah, they're just all messed up. You see? So these are no good. They're squashed, they're bruised, they're all beat up. Yeah. But yeah, so I went through the whole bag. I washed them. Like you see, the water's really dirty. These are the last ones. These are nice and firm. And yeah, so this is the actual clean rinse. Rinse my hands. See, the water's clean. I just do the final rinse right here. And I just chop. So yeah, so there's all the guts and all the tips and tops that I removed. All the little belly buttons. Yeah, so that's all the interior that I took off. All the brains. Yeah, so it's all guayaba. But this is all compost. See if the chickens will eat some of it. But yeah, but pretty much done. You see? It didn't take that long too. But yeah, so I'm gonna leave this the last little bit for my mom. She could take care of it. So let me show you how many bags of guayaba we managed to fill up. Yep. Right here. How many bags? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags. Perfectly ripe guayabas. Yep. So we got a lot of guayabas, papaya, strawberries, and pomegranates. Well, my mom, she did all of this de-seeding. Yep. For smoothies.